science. In this video, we are going to see loop control statement for. In most of the programming language, when we require to iterate particular part of program again and again, we use loop control statement. In this video, we are going to see Python for loop with the help of programming example. So let us start. Let us open new file. Here I write for I in MDB electrosoft. Okay, and let us say print. Here for I in MDB electrosoft. After that there is colon and print I. We know that after colon, when we enter, it indent by one tab. So here print I. If I run this program, what output I'll get? First, it will ask me to save the program. So let us save it by for underscore statement dot py. After running, I am getting MDB electrosoft. Now how this program is executing? Let us see. In this for loop, it is said I in MDB electrosoft. Is what this I represents. Here I represents each and every element of this MDB electrosoft. Initial value of I will be M. When next iteration it will be D. In next iteration it will be V. In next iteration it will be space. In next E, L, C and so on. So here I is representing the elements of this MDB electrosoft. Now let me change this to K. I have taken one variable. We are going to see another example. Let us copy this, Control X, here Control V, and here I have replaced it by K. Now is it same example or different? It is same example, only what I did, I have assigned one variable to this string and now it is saying I in K. But what is K? It is MDB electrosoft. So if I run this program, definitely I will get again the same string, that is MDB electrosoft. Now let us change this K by list. Here 3, 4, 6, 8, 3. So how many elements? There are 5 elements in K. Now if I run this program for I in K, what I will get? What this I will represent? Will it represent the element of this list? Here it is array, as this list consists of same data type element, that is integer. So will this I represents the element of this array? Let us execute the program. And it is representing the elements of array. Let us see. We are saying I in K. So when the first iteration is there, the I is representing the first element of K, that is 3. In second iteration, it is representing second element, that is 4. In next iteration, 6, 8 and 3. Here in for loop, this variable itself represents the element of our array, list or string. So this is the advantage of Python, that we can directly represent the element. In another languages, we have to use the indexing kind of thing, that we are going to see in this Python also. So how? In Python, we are having one function, that is range, R-A-N-G-E. How many elements are here? So there are 5 elements, so I have to write 5 here. Now if I execute this program, what output I expect? Will I get the elements of this array, or we can say list? Let us try to execute the program. It is representing 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Are these elements of array? No. So what it is doing, how this program is executing. So I in range 5. So this range function creates a range from 0 to 5. Actually this must be like this, 0 comma 5, but by default it takes first value as 0. That's why I won't mention it. If we'd like to grow from 2 to 5, 1 to 5, then we must mention the first element. So it is going from 0 to 5, and how this for loop is executing, I represent the first value 0 and we have printed I. So next 1, 2, 3, 4. It will go up to 4. It will not take the last value whatever we mention here. It always go one element less. So it is representing 0 to 4. Now I would like to do the indexing kind of thing. So how we can do it? Let us see. Here I have to replace this. Now I want to represent the element from k. So I have to say k in square bracket, that is I. So now it is k of 0. Initial value of I will be 0. So it will represent k of 0. So that is 3. Then it will become 1. So it will represent k of 1. That is 4. Then k of 2. That is 6. And so on. If I run this program, what I will get? Yes, definitely the elements of array. So let me run this program. Now see the output. That is first element 3, 4, 6 and so on. Now another thing, in this range I can represent the last step size. We can say offset, or we can say increment value. By default this value is 1. Apart from 1, if you want another value, we have to specify it. Default it takes 1. Now if I modify this, what output I will get? Here the first value of I will be 0. Then second value of I is 2. So first it will represent, when I is 0 it will represent 3. When I is 2 it will represent 6, and next it will take 4. When it will be 4 it will represent 3. So I'll get output 3, 6 and 3. Let me run this program. Yes, that is 3, 6, 3 as we mentioned. Now is it possible for me to print these elements of array in the reverse order? Yes, it is possible. Let us see how. So here it's 3, 4, 6, 8, 3. So I have to start in the reverse order, 3, 8, 6. So what I have to do? So this is 0th element, first element, second, third, fourth. So I have to replace it by 4. Here it must be, I have to go up to 0. But we know that Python don't consider the last element. So that's why here I have to say -1, and here it should be decremented by 1. So I have to write here -1. So how this loop will be executed? That is, it will take the fourth element first, that is 3. Then it will reduce by 1, then third element and so on. Let me execute this program again. Now see the reverse order, that is 3, 8, 6, 4 and 3. So it is going in the reverse order. So we can use this for loop in a forward order, in a reverse order, in an indexing way, or we can use the variable of loop like I in a direct way also to represent the element of string or the elements of list. This is about loop control statement. In upcoming video, we are going to see tutorial based on all previous 8 videos, whatever we have seen. If you don't watch those videos, my recommendation to you is that please go through all those videos to watch the upcoming videos. Friends, if you are having any doubt, any problem, any query, please mention that in the comment section. We will definitely solve your problem, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye.